New on the 4, the suspects accused of taunting and torturing a young mother before killing her were in court today. Birmingham police say the suspects in Mahogany Jackson's murder posted videos of the crime on social media. Your reporter Bria Chapman is live and on your side. After talking with Jackson's mother and the district attorney, this is just a heartbreaking case.
Yeah, Morgan, that is right. It's actually almost been a year since Mahogany Jackson's body was found at a dumping site on the west side of Birmingham. Her mother telling me today, though, even though it's almost been a year, it hasn't gotten any easier, and her main focus is getting justice for her child. And the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office tells me that is their goal as well. DA Danny Carr says this case has moved pretty quickly through the justice system, from the police and federal agents investigating until today's pretrial hearing. But he adds there is more work to be done. Now today, Judge Keisha Davis gave the state an opportunity to offer each suspect a plea deal, but the death penalty remains on the table for all of those suspects. Now one defendant, Jeremiah McDowell, his attorney spoke to us stating that his client is ready for the case to move forward. And Jackson's mom says despite how hard today is, she plans to be there every step of the way.
It's rough. Every time I come here, I have a horrible night before, and I'm going to have a horrible day when I leave here today. But every time I'm going to be here.
He's anxious to get his case in front of a jury so that he can get out of jail and exonerate himself. Like I said, he's innocent, and we expect to prove that in front of the jury.
Stuff is basically whether or not the state has an offer relative to settling the case, meaning a plea offer. Obviously, at this time, we relayed to the judge that we didn't have a plea offer. And we're not at that point yet. And we also notified the court that we filed a notice to seek the death penalty on each defendant as well.
Yeah, now there was a DNA discovery in this case, but it was not discussed in court. Now all of these suspects will be back in front of Judge Keisha Davis on April 28th. Your reporter live tonight in Jefferson County, I'm Bria Chapman, WBRC 6 News on your side.